o twa mada pa kuro ni nipa Kankan Brita futa na obedru kuro ni mu a ni ade na fa VIP VVIP presidents former president any diplomats ever when a warrant is on that idiot and we say we are resetting so resetting abiding ni buo ema court warrant court warrant da branch so na via branch ba na national security for afa no near enough for baby of presidents former president VVIP gate 19 near man V8 miensa na national security for krokrotro ga the Kankan say your mama memu the Kankan say yo we obey den ya yes justice cheba for at the warrant to so in 2020 10 year arrest warrant court issue arrest warrant the court ne kan nyina say so this just cheba for no did you just cheba for atem na just cheba for at the NCA case so Mobeka ya in 2020 akufo ado pen so and the case court na NCA officials bi yes we mo discuss wa NCA na justice cheba for na preside over the matter and a branch his usual fashion okodi di justice cheba for atem say owo videos ewo audios ewo here chere say justice cheba for aye compromise ave yen konko tie video any audio sukura no so wo na just cheba for a compromise and whenever you scandalize the court ogu court unanimu asia the court has been given an inherent power to protect itself tenye by operation of law by the convention of the court whenever you scandalize I guess what's ogu court no animu ase ebu court no animtia all my court need look a certain way in the eyes of the people the courts have inherent power say omo be frel say wo cause contempt and Mobeka ya muntie three case no na ye di eye case afam say Supreme Court ne election petition ana muntie three akoga ne Mugabe wom ko di Supreme Court natem kasi ye be repi ma ye be repi judge no ye be say we yasa what bu court no animtia and by operation of law ya ma court ni to me say obefro for contempt na ofro na se wa ma the court has been given the power to issue an arrest warrant tienie na na be unu say akwa we chip just we jimisa na arrest warrant no e die nti ne issue arrest warrant ye issue arrest warrant ni say the police should arrest you because the court has subpoenaed you ya kasa court has subpoena wa the mraka cho say bra ne be you no now if you will not come then the police must arrest you and bring you to the court never chire die ntia any kwase court in the punish you so by operation of law arrest warrant when it's issued it is not for you to go to jail because arrest warrant is issued ave ye be grounds are branches who challenge more fire nani yanko ne ko bo video sa video na no shot ade white no wo did justice cheba for atem say o videos chere say justice cheba for why you compromised it yenye free so obe ka kira da sane say justice cheba for a compromise and here ekwa bi so the judgment ba na anko ne say the wo penwa wo bu court na nimtia if justice cheba for say bra wama dan yentie de ye ya justice cheba for eko issue arrest warrant to no so more fire na ye be ready arrest warrant na also seek to set us aside na gobi ye the arrest warrant to so and ye ko Supreme Court na go set aside wadwini mu ha they say warrant is in such a way that the moment you are arrested and you are brought before the court the warrant is discharged it is also when you are go to the court and the warrant will have no effect again wadwini mu anti na wonya futufu anti afi ye ne judges ni bedi nkomo muntie asemo kan muntie
I have tapes audio I will release them if the right thing is not done. Justice Chebafo has been compromised by this government, and the quicker the Chief Justice takes him off this case, the better. for our judicial system, and also better for the Chief Justice himself. This is not a warning, but a serious caution. I've said, I have tapes, audio. I will release them if the right thing is not done. Justice Chebafor has been compromised by this government, and the quicker the Chief Justice takes him off this case, the better for our judicial system, and also better for the Chief Justice himself.
Eti Abranche, Jani, General, Obi, Abranche, time Justice Chebafor, Eti NCA case, and was say, our tapes, our audios, Chese Justice Chebafor, you compromise. Exactly. Why none Justice Chebafor say, Brananim for audio, for tapes, chrono, Ebra never chere, Yenche in Kwasi a punish. You better share or no in the police in the grounds of a application. Very wap guy. Not been in the muha. You better read the points now, make it now. You heard one by one. You heard the other court in a court. It also was judge or cases, or audio, or tapes. Actually, man for say he's been compromised. What's a bra? For audio, any tapes in the bra. Wow, now say you may issue arrest warrant against you. Now, young country arrest warrant in Justice Chebafor issued in 2020. If you feel civil rights or fundamental human right has been abused, there are processes that you go through. Constitutional and Article 33. It says that when you feel your fundamental human rights have been abused, you have to go to High Court and make sure you seek for a redress. It will head the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court judges in the year. If it's a fundamental human right, the arrest warrant was not issued in accordance with the law. Where is he supposed to seek a redress? Is it not a High Court? Supreme Court. There are so many cases. And this versus the Attorney General. So many cases are there. Which says that you cannot wrap the enforcement of your fundamental human right and make it more like a public spirited issue. Public interest in a case. Now coincidentally, Otina Honwa, Emma Jomama appointed 7 judges. Now quickly, what the other so set aside. I set it aside. Have a young boy there, Daddy. Justice Chebafor issue arrest warrant. You read the arrest warrant, no? Now you read the wording of the arrest warrant. Niyan say arrest warrant is in such a way say the court in person work can say wo ya frasa bra na wo madia police moncheno enfamra. As it stands now, the arrest warrant is still effective. It ya hwa kwan ya be fa so a national security for be bo akwa we hu bai. No mo na ko Supreme Court to say omo kwa ma yi sa arrest warrant for ewa abra mo arrested no. If it's a national security police, by the time a guy we be free sa hotel no me no ka maybe owo selfie bi adwoma ma wie the service no see your fan channel former vice president fio e ho no mo de boy yakotra under heavy security. What kind of foolishness baby a Kevin Taylor chini baby a president e ho ne ya second etimu a Kevin Taylor abuse mo or ti baby a former president adwoma ma wie the service no see your fan channel e ho no mo de nakotra e ho no mo de nakotra under heavy national security na adwoma ma na mse bibi jichino na nkwasiade we wo soso Tiele me kan yi na ye hwe kwan ye be fa so a say arrest warrant is still effective wa akwa we be free ni fie ho akopie eye court wo Supreme Court wo on the 22nd a ye arrest no if say o free sa fie ho e court wo even see you arrest you the arrest warrant to so you don't no fly a list so so the very moment or landing or airport immigration is supposed to alert the police. National security is to na ye hwe kon on be fa so de na copy Supreme Court that means all of you are in contempt of the court. Mu court nti na mo to di nkwasasem sa brantie wi oye hwanya kwasia se ye hwanya bola bedu ye hwanya Obi, it's already arrest warrant. Baby, or Chini, baby, or American Tela and the heavy national security protection. National security is what Kevin Taylor because arrest warranted and so on. Police said Kevin Taylor because arrest warranted and so on. Some police in the urban Hawaii. Where is state? Where is state? My building state. Where is state?
Just look at that.
Ave Kevin Taylor said ya issue a restaurant. Watena se more than a year 5 years. One pair restaurant no one semanka. They say what the fake doctor ne buy I bogu and why yes and one ankasa per appointment. Name was a restaurant and that's why it me an appointment. TS ko Supreme Court echo offset it. Echo set it aside. Na ye busa a restaurant no e ye de badia. Now yebusa Justice Cheba Bafoboni Nnipa Mensa Bunsu Ajebu Asiedu Justice Lovelace Johnson Justice Akabuafo Justice George Kumsing Justice Amadou Tanku Justice Yoni Kolendi Justice Eye Yao Ejewuan Justice Ejefrem Pong Justice Daku Asare Justice Jamefe de Menkokura Brim no Obaye obechere yade under constitutional law. Obaye no a one-time guest lecturer. Oshemenim was you are such an intelligent young man. Let me see me nyina mpesa me yes no. Justice Jamefe, we are watching the courts.
Exactly. Fire.
We are watching the courts.
Fire.
See ya set ye de bench warrant atu obi so a. Eye court no mo be protect mo ho anamba makwa makwase we ye wadidi court no atem sa efre justice se mass o mo ya hyawo na ye nkonko hwe video asa akwa we edidi ajaje for matem na enye mo nwanwa se akwa we ni obi anya issue okrum ha eso pe bibi about sex de body pa no. Wait, there's a video. Oh yes, Supreme Court Justice Emano. Womo you know. Womo yenum na obusa question bi. Baakubi. Otwempana. Makati here. Baakubi. Okoha. Ekoyesi. Chese anytime akwa we ni obi benya issue bia no. Enye obi na edi obi yira. Obi na edi obi kunu. Enye obi na edi obi kuna. Obi etrum. Enye obi na obi truma. Obi kwatisha. Obi ye gay. Just foolish is such a character. Kwasi say. And then the state security protect Kwasi. Yentie do akafa judge for man we. Yentie.
The women judges at the Supreme Court. These are all the women almost Supreme Court. So I'm going to keep this on the screen. Send a beya when I put
radio obe scandalize a ma wo mo Supreme Court obe gu o mani mu ase so omo ya shabofo etimede all the women at the Supreme Court and I can bet you there no person who can nyina ne say Chief Justice Araba Tokonu wo ya shawoni tie de aka ni tie de aka ni edu ashada ne man nyina agu ho na se judges no and the court no se mo protect mo ho na because of politics enti mo ba mo obi akwan so betimi adidi mo atema ya twen so mo ba bie floodgate mo bie floodgate na nkofo be wram bia be fam Sabranti obetimi agumani mu asese de ogu na in the name of politics you the court will not protect yourself. We are watching avie yintie do beka
the women at the Supreme Court no obia din wom into obia entie wa ade we concern no no. Be honest with yourself, come out and let the people know. Resign before it gets murkier.
We know. Danny Pause, follow me. Debia wo be sesi bibi. Na kana foti Jimmy ana. Ade beni. Akwa we am free nachi. So when you be girl, we say what do you do baby? Justice Cheba for or be kana sema. Justice Cheba for on a girlfriend. Make a sense akwala na Justice Cheba for to ne bawo. And so Justice Cheba for on a girlfriend. And this is the character we are protecting with our state money. Wait. Akwa we. Ave muntie do obeye man. Mo hwe do obeye Supreme Court man.
Saying say it would be better for all of us to protect our integrity. Which Supreme Court judge or your bar, which one of you goes to sleep at McCarthy Hill? Which one of you Supreme Court judges you say you are married
Look at that. You say you are married, goes to sleep at McCarthy. What body trim no account? Baby, send her.
The place you go to sleep, the gentleman now Okatakyie, that gentleman was going through a divorce, and you, the judge, we are one of the female Supreme Court judges. You actually got that gentleman a lawyer.
It's way possible. So we Supreme Court judge be a warrior. Obi, na ni kunu sha de we ya. Onye unsure. Say emudia he say ye na yire, ananya na yire. So this is the way this guy scandalizes even women at the Supreme Court.
Exactly.
Very dangerous precedent. Say Supreme Court judge be. It is a me na me yire te wo. Na me tie say akwa we ka sanse mu no. Na me nim Supreme Court judge kura. Me yire de me no. E de na me dwene. And this is the kind of person yedi ye yi bon ho bai state ni bon ho bai afi ye ntie do obeye.
3. You, the Supreme Court judge, we your bar sir Nnipa 5 you are about 15 years older than this gentleman. You are about 15 years old. You are older. You are 15 years older than this gentleman. Question 4, and this is a specific question. There is a place near the Swiss school, near Ekufuadu's place. You, this woman, have you been sharing bed in that neighborhood with a member of parliament? Listen, there is a specific place near the Swiss school. It's very near to Ekufuadu's place. You, the Supreme Court judge, you are a woman. You say you are married. You have been sharing bed with another politician. I'm giving you specifics so that you know that I know what I'm talking about. Who is this gentleman? Question number 5. Now, let me go more deeper. The gentleman you, this person you are seeing, the person you, this judge, you are seeing in Ghana is a businessman. He's rich, he's less educated. You, this woman judge, you go to this man's house. And the funny thing is, you leave the house 5 a.m. every morning.
This is the character. Say Supreme Court for so mama kwama we dey do matemwa. Etoje wo ma. Justice Bafuboni. Say if there's the character, mo be say mo protecting against the court. Etoje mo. Justice Jamefe, my role model. Etoje mo. Anu dey obi any hweka. Na yenkon kohwe govi na samo de court no yenkon ni yenkoshe the grounds on which he is looking for a defense say yen set it aside yenkon the grounds also they set it aside okobusana ebako one of the grounds is that then yen ready ne grounds no one of the grounds is that he was not given a hearing, so it breaches the principle of odi aterem pattern. Okay, so when we say odi aterem pattern, what it means is that when it comes to the principle of natural justice, odi aterem pattern and no more judas in casaswa. So odi aterem pattern says that whenever you accuse a person, the person have a right to obey appear to be heard. And I say you can no more judas in casaswa. It means you cannot be a judge in your own court. But by operation of the law, even a directive from the CG, the Chief Justice, when he said back contempt, the contempt is in such a way that the moment I issue you are coming to prove why you should not be punished. So the principle of odi aterem pattern and normal judex does not apply. In first place, so when you dump and dafter, odi aterem pattern no, your natural justice law, or say, Yama kwani yentio. arrest warrant yes your family arrest warrant yes your family na your family be dey ni entio ti say wunyimi ya o si ya entio ni issue arrest warrant na yes bra ni entio nso a o si dey wama na ni wo ba idea what is the essence of issuance of arrest warrant because arrest warrant no ye be issue a it means yes bra court na so wo ma o so si dey bi ye ntie wa no asem we adwini we lawyer ni na atwere we akoto court we dani